According to students' feedback, that Dilprit want to know how to prioritize tests in TestNG, because in this existing lectures, I show how to prioritize testing JUnit. So now I will show you how to use TestNG and Maven to prioritize the tests. Here, I just create a new branch named TestNG example, and in this branch, I pushed two commits. One commit is including 4 files. So first is the POM file. In the POM file, I added dependency for TestNG, and then I updated the profiles. So in profiles, I used TestNG and specified different TestNG suite files. So this one use testing and TestNG or, and this one use TestNG first. So this will test including all the tests, and this will only run those with fast groups. Okay. The second thing, as you saw in the home file, I have TestNG here. Let me show you. We have includes the groups that we defined in the test file. We will go to this file soon. So one is fast, the other is slow. And for the fast, I only include fast. Okay. Now for the test Java file itself, so it's a very simple Java test file. It has 3 tests. Sorry, I have just made an update. So this one is the newest one I want to show. So it has 3 tests. There are 2 tests with group equal to fast. So there are 2 tests here, and there's another test. Groups is slow. This test will take more than 5 seconds to run. So I want to mock the real case. Sometimes the test will run very slow. You don't want to run every time for every build. You only want to run, for example, every week. So these are slow tests. You don't want to run very frequently. Okay, so these are the new code changes. So now if you bring up your console, if you have checked out my repo before, you just git clone git pull to make sure you get the latest one. Then you can make sure that the status that we are in the TestNG underscore example branch. If not, then you can just check out TestNG example. Okay, and then after you make sure you are on the latest branch, and then you can run clear. You run Maven test profile, use OR. Okay, this should run all the 3 tests. The first one, the second one, and the slow one is running. So after 5 seconds, the last slow test has been run. So we have run 3 tests, and it took 5 seconds, more than 5 seconds. Okay, so now if we run only the fast one, because for daily build we want to save time. Okay, so we use the fast profile. It should only run 2 tests, so it takes only less than 1 second. So this is very fast. So this only run the most critical test that you think is necessary to run every time. Okay, so this is just a very simple example to show you how to use TestNG to group the tests and run them according to their priority.